Welcome to Tiny DIY Craft! Let's have fun together! Can you guess what I'm drawing? And now, let's color it in. Stick it on, just like this. Let's pick one together. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny DIY Craft so you won't miss new fun videos. Add some cute decorations. Pour it in, woohoo! Let's make a little box together. Decorate it a bit more. This mini plastic bag is so adorable. Tape it down nice and neat. Cut a circle, snip, snip. All done! Yay! Wow, super cute! Of course, draw any animal you like. Make a simple stick, easy peasy. Cut a tiny hole. Trace the shape carefully. Stick the bottle cap on. Add more decorations. Put the powder inside. Wrap it all around. How about making this fun mystery bag? Pour in the candy, yummy! You can put anything you like inside. Let's dress up the character together. Cut out each piece one by one. Add double-sided tape to the back. Put it in the package. Now, let's put it all together. Cute little snack box. Fold along the lines. Fold, fold. Add some more decorations. Tie it up tight. Yummy watermelon popsicle. Let's color it in together. The lines again. Make the ice cream cover. Let's unwrap it together. What a lovely pencil case! Make the box cover. Make the body and the lid. Wrap it around. Put it inside the box. Such pretty keychains. And today's chosen character is cut a circle in the middle. Attach it on. Stick the cardboard in place. Share with me in the comments if you have a cooler idea. A super cute kitty. Cut out each part. Fold along the lines. Stick all the pieces together. All finished. Yay! So creative. Still color it as usual. Put it in the plastic bag. Keep on drawing. Let's see the result together. A brand new pencil box. Cut a piece of the bottle. Put it inside. Pour in the foam balls. That's the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you had fun.